you ever seen the person who broke your heart and realized they still owe you an apology you'll never get? This is the story of the day she finally stopped waiting for "I'm sorry" and learned that peace doesn't come from them, it comes from within you. She hadn't been to that coffee shop in months. Not since the day he walked away and left her sitting there, holding a cup that had gone cold long before she realized he wasn't coming back today. She walked in, not to remember him, but to remember herself. The version of her that once laughed too loud, dreamed too big, and believed love would never leave. She ordered her usual caramel latte, no sugar. Old habits, old memories, and then there he was. Same face, same calm voice, like a ghost wearing a heartbeat. He smiled, said hey, she nodded, whispered hi. And for a moment, the world stopped trying to make sense. He didn't apologize, didn't explain, didn't even ask how she'd been. He just ordered his drink the same way he always did, like nothing had ever broken. And that's when it hit her. He wasn't the one holding her peace anymore. He was just someone who once knew her heart but never learned how to treat it. She didn't need his apology. She didn't need him to fix the past, because she was already free. Not because he said sorry, but because she no longer needed him to. Sometimes closure doesn't come from the person who hurt you. It comes from finally accepting that their silence is your answer. And that peace was never theirs to give, it was yours to claim. Like and follow for more real stories from the Wisdom Realm 885.